Welcome to Family Quiz Kingdom. Welcome back, friends. Today you have to guess the birds by emoji. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. All right, let's begin. There are 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. Let's see how far you can go. Now get ready for easy level. That is correct, eagle. That is correct, hen. That is correct, kiwi. That is correct, kite. That is correct, bat. That is correct, crow. That is correct, seagull. That is correct, crane. That is correct, peacock. That is correct, sunbird. You did great. Now get ready for medium level. That is correct, pigeon. That is correct, parrot. That is correct, penguin. That is correct, flamingo. That is correct, owl. That is correct, duck. That is correct, woodpecker. That is correct, hummingbird. kingfisher. That is correct, vulture. You're doing awesome. Now get ready for hard level. That is correct, sparrow. That is correct, ostrich. That is correct, turkey. That is correct, cuckoo. That is correct, stork. That is correct, goldfinch. That is correct, hornbill. That is correct, pheasant. That is correct, cockatoo. That is correct, toucan. So, how many guesses did you get right? Comment below your score. See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Like करो, share करो, subscribe करो. Okay, bye.